Don't hover. Understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, don't hover. This phrase is used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning can greatly improve your communication skills in English. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. The phrase, don't hover, essentially means not to stay in one place in the air or linger closely. It's often used metaphorically to advise someone not to remain unnecessarily close or attentive to someone or something. For instance, a parent might tell a child, don't hover over your younger sibling, meaning they shouldn't be overly protective or intrusive. 1. Personal space. This phrase is commonly used to respect someone's personal space. For example, if someone is working on a task and another person is standing too close, watching them intently, they might say, please, don't hover around me. 2. Helicopter parenting. In parenting, don't hover is a term used to discourage overprotective behavior, often referred to as helicopter parenting, where a parent pays extremely close attention to a child's experiences and problems. 3. Workplace etiquette. In a professional setting, don't hover might be used to encourage independence. A manager might use this phrase to tell an employee to work more autonomously and not rely too heavily on supervision or assistance. When teaching your child to ride a bike, it's important to give them space. Don't hover, let them try on their own. As a manager, I need to remind myself to not hover over my team and trust them to complete their tasks. At museums, it's common courtesy to not hover too closely to the artworks or other visitors. In different cultures, the concept of personal space and the interpretation of hovering can vary. Understanding these cultural differences is crucial, especially in international settings or when interacting with people from diverse backgrounds. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, don't hover, and how it can be used in different contexts. Remember, it's all about respecting personal space and encouraging independence. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.